have a routine that works for you. Keep on creating content for the rainy days. Don't stop. Create content like your life depends on. Monetize smartly. This is one area where people are still finding challenging how to monetize their content. I would say take it calm, take it easy. The people first before the product. If you start with the product without people, you might find it hard and challenging to get to where you are going to. In this video, I'll be sharing with you a story about how making video once a week is enough to make you money online. So let's dive in. So last week was a hard one for me. It was a tough time for me because I felt so overwhelmed. I only make videos every Sunday. That's the only free day I have in the week. And that same Sunday, I had a meeting to host. And the meeting was going to last for a long time, long hours. So I just did not know how to go about this. My fear was if I missed that particular Sunday, what would happen? But I just had to let it go, and I anchored the meeting and things in that light. So with that feeling of being unaccomplished for that day, and I was so scared that the gap of that week is going to affect my consistency of uploading videos online, I just felt down. So I got home, checked my gallery of videos, and I was surprised that I had over 19 unedited videos. Wow. I was okay. Now that means I had more than enough. So that week, what I did was I just kept on editing videos and uploading. Normally I upload like maybe 2 times a week or so, but that particular week I almost uploaded every day because I had more than enough content, and my shots were like back to back daily. So I'm just trying to use this video to encourage you. Maybe I don't know what you are doing, whether you have your 9 to 5 and things in that light, and you feel you can't be able to create content on social media or stay consistent, or you are feeling overwhelmed, or sometimes when you just don't create content, you don't know what to do. Keep on moving. I'm going to share with you my top 10 tips on how to stay consistent, make money online, and create more. Don't forget that during those videos I uploaded for that week, I was advertising my French course with the affiliate programs that I'm on, sharing the links. Additionally, that's also a way of me making money, right? So number one is that I'm going to tell you that, number one, I wrote them down here, so I'm just going to read it so this video is on point. Number one, have a routine that works for you. Look at your schedule. What works for you? Is it Monday? Is it 2 times? Or will you be creating videos every day? I feel that is so stressful. I can't do that, and I don't think you should do that too. But maybe you have the luxury of time. I would say make video maybe 2 times, then batch film. That was one of those things that helped me. Number 2 I have is keep on creating content for the rainy days. Don't stop. Create content like your life depends on. Create content back to back. Like for this particular session today, I'm planning on batch filming like 7 videos in this session. I don't know. Most of them I only film like 3 or 4, but I'm trying to see if I can meet up to 7. So that means for a week or almost 2 weeks, I don't have to stress about creating videos and things in that line. Number 3 is to plan your content. Planning your content will help you because if you've planned your content, you know that when you are filming, you already know what you want to film, right? It's easy to get content. Look around, walk around. Most times I work with my notebook and pen. So when I get ideas, I just write down. You have to write. Just go all out and get things. Next, I've talked about is batch film. Batch film will save you time. Batch film. Next is to edit efficiently. Don't allow editing slow you down. One thing I do, I think I'm going to upload a video of showing how I edit my videos. I don't stress. One thing I do, just increase the volume, do some 1 or 2 filters. Sometimes now, what I do now, I even time myself because most of the editing takes me hours. But now, 30 minutes, I time myself. 30 minutes, I'm done. I'm done. Even the mistake. One thing I've found that is more interesting, that even the mistake you feel, or even sometimes when you make mistake, it's still part of you letting your audience know that I'm a human. It's not a robot that is talking, if you know what I mean. Number next, engage with your audience. Respond, create community posts, and things in that line. Number next, promote your videos. If you don't do it, who will for you? Promote your videos. When you create videos, ensure that you share it to your friends, post on WhatsApp, and things in that line. But if you are like me, that you don't know how to start sharing links to friends and begging them to watch your video, just upload. Stay consistent. Utilize both the long form content of YouTube and the short form content of YouTube. Additionally, if you have email marketing platform like newsletters, or you have a blog, do well to spread your tentacles, right? Just promote your video. Next, analyze your performance. This is very important. Don't just be there creating content. Ensure that you look at your analytics. Ensure you look at what it is saying. Look at the performance of your video. Ensure that each video you keep on getting better, right? Get better, 1% better daily. Now, the last one I'll have here is, okay, I still have two more, sorry. Stay consistent, I've talked about. Additional is the last one I have here, monetize smartly. This is one area where people are still finding challenging how to monetize their content. I would say, take it calm, take it easy. The people first before the product. If you start with a product without people, you might find it hard and challenging to get to where you are going to. It's my work, but I would say the people first before the product. Create content, be on social media, get awareness, build brand awareness, brand everything, personal awareness, personal branding, and things like that. Gradually, you start making money online with your content. I hope you found this video helpful. So if you like to enroll for my 3 months French course, do well to use the link in the description box. Additionally, I have a Go Virtual Academy that will also help you fine-tune your making money online game. So do well to use the link to your advantage. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.